Hey guys, if you're trying to type on your keyboard but it keeps typing the wrong characters, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to provide you with a quick and easy solution. Now it's very straightforward. The first thing we need to do is just come over to our start menu and we're going to search for settings and then head over to the settings tab. Inside of here we need to come down to the left and we need to select time and language, and then we're going to come inside of language in region here. And down at the bottom here, you'll see this section where it says preferred languages, and you'll already have some things inside of him. As you can see, I've got English United States installed and also English United Kingdom. And what we need to do is come over to this add a language button, and you need to select the language that you want installed onto your computer. So if you have a computer that was manufactured in the UK like me, you probably want the language based in the United Kingdom. So we can just search from that from the list and then just select the language to install it. Obviously I've already got it installed, so it won't let me do this. And once you've installed the language onto your computer, you'll just need to ensure that down here it includes handwriting and basic typing. And we can change this by coming into the three little dots next to it. Come over to language options and just ensure that basic typing is installed here. We can just press this install button next to it if it's not, and then we can scroll down here also next to this keyboard section and just make sure you have the correct keyboard selected down here. So as you can see, I've got this UK keyboard already selected down here. But if you want to add a new keyboard layout, we can just select this add a keyboard button and we can select the keyboard layout from this list here. And then if you come back to the previous window, if you have a couple of languages in here like me, then I'd recommend reordering this list and having the one that you want to use at the very top here. So because I want to use my English UK keyboard, I'm going to make sure this is dragged to the top here. And another thing that I'd recommend doing is coming down here into this typing section and just turning off autocorrect misspelled words, as this is another reason your keyboard might sometimes type incorrect letters or characters. And then we can close out of this window, and if that's still not working for you, the very last thing we can do is head over to our start menu and we're going to search for device manager and then just head over to the device manager tab. Now inside of this window we need to expand this keyboards list here, and you're going to right click on your keyboard device and then come into update driver. Then you need to select browse my computer for drivers. Click on this option at the bottom here where it says let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and we can just select this top option here and press next, and this will install the latest drivers to your device. We can then close out of this window and you'll need to restart your computer in order for these changes to take effect. And that should have now fixed any issues you're experiencing with your keyboard typing the wrong characters. If this video did help you, then please consider subscribing and dropping a like. Until next time.